Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage, the intersection of health sciences and geography. First 14 to 19 questions are to find out the paragraph from which the given statements have been taken. First question is, an acceptance that not all diseases can be totally eliminated. ऐसा स्वीकार करना कि सभी बीमारियां पूरी तरह से ठीक नहीं की जा सकती. Let's see in the paragraph. The aim of this hybrid science is to create solutions for common geography-based health problems. While people will always be prone to illness, the study of how geography affects our health could lead to the eradication of certain illnesses. So its answer is paragraph D. Next statement is, examples of physical conditions caused by human behavior. Human behavior की वजह से हुई physical condition का example. Let's see in the paragraph. In many large cities, the wind is not strong enough to clear the air of the massive amounts of smog and pollution that cause asthma, lung problems, eyesight issues and more in the people who live there. Part of the problem is, of course, the massive number of cars being driven, in addition to factories that run on coal power. So its answer is paragraph C. Next statement is, a reference to classifying diseases on the basis of how far they extend geographically. Geographically diseases को classify करना. Let's see in the paragraph. Researchers study the interactions between humans and their environment that could lead to illness such as asthma in places with high levels of pollution and work to create a clear way of categorizing illnesses, diseases and epidemics into local and global scale. So its answer is paragraph F. Next statement is, reasons why the level of access to healthcare can vary within a country. एक ही country में healthcare तक पहुंचने के level में difference के कारण. Let's see in the paragraph. Individuals working in the area of the geography of healthcare provision attempt to assess the levels of healthcare in the area. For instance, it may be very difficult for people to get medical attention because there is a mountain between their village and the nearest hospital. So its answer is paragraph G. Next statement is, a description of health geography as a mixture of different academic fields. Health geography को different academic fields में describe करना. Let's see in the paragraph. Health geography is the combination of, on the one hand, knowledge regarding geography and methods used to analyze and interpret geographical information, and on the other, the study of health, diseases and healthcare practices around the world. So its answer is paragraph D. Next statement is, a description of the type of area where a particular illness is rare. एक ऐसा area जहाँ पर एक खास तरह की बीमारी बहुत कम होती है. Let's see in the paragraph. Perhaps one of the most obvious examples of this idea is malaria-prone areas, which are usually tropical regions that foster a warm and damp environment in which the mosquitoes that can give people these diseases can grow. Malaria is much less of a problem in high-altitude deserts, for instance. So its answer is paragraph B. Next 20 to 26 questions are to complete the sentences. First question is, certain diseases have disappeared thanks to better dash in healthcare. Better healthcare and एक और चीज की वजह से कुछ बीमारियां खत्म हो गई. Let's see in the paragraph. While many diseases that affect humans have been eradicated due to improvements in vaccinations and the availability of healthcare. So its answer is vaccinations. Next question is, because there is more contact between people, dash are losing their usefulness. क्योंकि लोगों का आपस में बहुत contact होता है, तो किस चीज ने अपनी उपयोगिता को खो दिया है. Let's see in the paragraph. People come into contact with one another through travel and living closer and closer to each other. As a result, superviruses and other infections resistant to antibiotics are becoming more and more common. So its answer is antibiotics. Next question is, disease-causing dash are most likely to be found in hot, damp regions. Diseases का एक जो कारण है वो ज़्यादातर hot, damp regions में होता है. Let's see in the paragraph. Tropical regions that foster a warm and damp environment in which the mosquitoes that can give people these diseases can grow. So its answer is mosquitoes. Next question is, one cause of pollution is dash that burn a particular fuel. Pollution का एक कारण वो चीज जो एक तरह के fuel से चलती है. Let's see in the paragraph. In addition to factories that run on coal power. So its answer is factories. Next question is, the growth of cities often has an impact on nearby dash. Cities की growth नजदीक की किस चीज को affect करती है. Let's see in the paragraph. The rapid industrialization of some countries in recent years has also led to the cutting down of forests. So its answer is forests. Next question is, dash is one diseases that is growing after having been eradicated. एक ऐसी बीमारी जो खत्म होने के बाद दोबारा से बढ़ गई. Let's see in the paragraph. It is an increasingly important area of study in a world where diseases like polio are re-emerging. So its answer is polio. Next question is, a physical barrier such as a dash can prevent people from reaching a hospital. एक ऐसी रुकावट जो लोगों को हॉस्पिटल जाने से रोक देती है. Let's see in the paragraph. It may be very difficult for people to get medical attention because there is a mountain between their village and the nearest hospital. So its answer is mountain. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.